Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to convert this non-rechargeable multi-tester to a rechargeable multi-tester. My problem is that I tend to forget to turn this off lots of times. That's why the battery ends up getting drained very fast. Okay, so let's convert it. Going to remove the screws. Okay, it uses a 9-volt battery. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this 9-volt rechargeable battery. I doubt that it's really 6800 mAh, so I just bought one. Just wanted to try it. Okay, let's test first if this battery is working. Let's turn it on. Okay, I hope you can see those numbers. Okay, it's working. There are protruding plastic on the side. I'm going to remove that. Let's see. I'm going to make this USB slot face this side. So that I will just bore a hole in here. Let's test if it's going to fit. Now I will bore a hole in here. Okay, it now. Okay, let's test it. Okay, so that's how you convert this from a non-rechargeable to become a rechargeable multi-tester. Okay, I hope you like the idea and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.